Hey folks, Dan the Produce Man here. Honeydew melons. Now we talked about cantaloupes and we showed you the difference between what you're going to get during the winter and what you would get during the summer months. All winter long you're going to get these white, I always call these dinosaur eggs, these very, very white, firm honeydews. And again, they're going to just be okay. In fact, sometimes they're going to taste just like a sweet cucumber, and that's as far as they get. But beginning in June, July, August, September, when they have a nice, creamy, golden color to them and a waxy surface and a smell that sends you to heaven, then they're absolutely fantastic. That's when they're ready. That's when you want a nice, good honeydew like this. Will get you through the summer. Hey folks, this is Dan the Produce Man reminding you that it's always best when you get it fresh.